it's your girl, Goldie. I've done a lot of videos about dogs on this channel. I'm gonna do 3 cat hacks that will make you a cat person. And if you already are a cat person, then they'll just make your cat a cat person. It's time to hack your world. And for our first hack, we have a cat toy. This is not an ordinary yarn ball. Guys, it's 2.0. It has catnip inside of it. Catnip is in the mint family. It contains this chemical called naphthalactone that cats smell it, and it makes them completely goofy. Like, it makes them so happy. So it's estimated that 20 to 30% of cats actually don't react to catnip. If your cat is one of the 20%, I mean, hey, it's still a yarn ball. The yarn like triggers like their hunting instincts, so it's like a ball of fun. It's super easy to make, and let's hack it. For this DIY, I'll need a styrofoam ball, Mod Podge, catnip, and yarn. First, cover the styrofoam ball in Mod Podge and roll it in catnip. Once the glue is dry, glue the yarn to the ball and wrap it around twice. Finally, secure the yarn with the knot. I'm even entertained by this, and I'm not a cat, so. And for a second hack, we have a cat food dispenser. Let me show you how it works, and then I'll explain. So it's the cat, and this is like hanging from like a cabinet or like something above them. And then your cat sees his ball, and they're like, oh my god, ball. And then they go, like, this is meant to like fling. Like, so it's like fun for your cats. It's a great situation. And it's also like a toy as well. So it'll keep them like interested. Let's hack it. For this DIY, you'll need a plastic bottle, chopsticks, rubber bands, hot glue, duct tape, and a bouncy ball. First, cut off the end of the bottle. Score 2 holes on opposite sides of the bottle. Glue rubber bands around the bouncy ball. Put the rubber band through the mouth of the bottle and stretch it onto a chopstick on the other side. Put another chopstick through the holes you scored earlier and the rubber band. Remove the top chopstick so the rubber band snaps into place. Now, fill it up with cat food and cap it off with the end of the bottle and duct tape. And for our third hack, we have a Cactus cat scratch post. It's PVC pipe wrapped in like this vibrant green rope, and I have this cute little pink rope to like act as like the flowers on the cactus. I love how it turned out. The PVC pipe is attached to a wooden base. It's on the bottom, and I weighted down with some rocks. So cats need a scratch post to like sharpen their claws, right? They like scratch to like release like the dead like outer layer of their claw, and they leave their scent and like a visual representation of like, I was here. And I feel like all cat scratch posts are just ugly. Like, they're either like tan or like carpeted or like there's a weird shell pink color. Did you guys know that there's over 2,000 different types of cactus? Given the right conditions, certain type of cacti can live for over 200 years. So cactus photosynthesis is actually different because they live in extreme heat. So part of it happens during the day, and then part of it happens at night. So at night, cactuses have stomata that open up and then they take in carbon dioxide. Also, like, certain types of cacti can grow over 60 feet tall. That's tall. Let's hack it. For this DIY, you'll need PVC piping, a large flower pot, rocks, a wooden base, and green and pink rope. First, attach the end of your PVC pipe to the base. Next, glue the rope onto the outside of the pipe. Put your cactus by building out the PVC pipe. Fill the base of the pot with rocks. I love it. That is it for today's video, hackers. If you guys like this video, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe for new videos every single week. So if you guys want to help out any of the cats you saw in this video, just hit that little link. You know, you can like donate, or if you guys live in LA, pay them a visit and take one home. GoldieBlox, signing out.